to show you how to draw support and resistance perfectly. All right, because most of the time we do draw our support, but at the end of the day, when price get into our support level or resistance level, those levels don't hold because why? We don't draw them properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to draw the major key level on the chart. So when price gets into this level, they intend to hold the price, and from there you start to pay attention to what is going on in that particular zone. All right, so without too much wasting of our time, let's just dive in. Let me draw them out and let me show you how they work. So let's say, for example, this is a chart. Now, first, what is support? What is resistance? So this is support. I'm drawing this. This is support. When price in terms, when price comes into this level and bounce off from this level and comes back again, and if this level manage to hold, that means it is a strong support level for the price. So the only thing we'll start looking at is to look for a potential buy from this level, as long as the price came here before and it bounced off and it came back again. It might happen first, second, third, depending on your market condition at that particular time. So let's say, for example, we have first touch here, then price bounce off, and second touch again, price bounce off. Then the price came back again, third one bounce off, then the fourth one, then you start to pay attention if the price is going to do the same thing by what? Bouncing off from this region. So if the price, before price can bounce off, there must be a confirmation for you to understand that, okay, yes, this price is reversing and this price is about to what? Change direction to move to the upper direction again. All right. So for the resistant level is the opposite of what? Support. So this is resistant level. We have resistance here. The first time price came into this region and it bounced off and it came back again. Second time price bounced off and came back the third time. You can start paying that attention. The first time when price bounces off from the first time and the second time the price came back, you can start paying attention to what is going to happen next when next price comes into that region. So for me now, price is at this region currently. What I'm going to be doing, I will sit down and relax and watch out what is going to happen next on this level. So if I find out that there is a momentum of selling, then I have to look out for my candlestick confirmation on the lower time frame. Then I will sell to the next resistance level or support level. All right. So let's go into the chart. Let me show you how this is done. So for me, if I want to draw the major key level on the chart, I start with my monthly time frame. I don't just go on the 4 hour, because the way I trade, I am a swing trader. All right, so I use major key level for my analysis. So currently, this is what AUD card. This is the chart of the AUD card. So let me map out my resistance and my support level. All right, I have this region. The reason why I'm marking out this region is because if you watch, we have first touch, second touch, and what happened? Price bounces off from those region. So that's the reason why I'm putting my resistance there. Then the second one will be here. So the reason for that, as I explained earlier, you can see that we have a touch here, we have a touch here, and we have a touch here, a touch here, a touch here, a touch here. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do, I will move price my resistance down here. We have only one touch here for now. So then the second one, I will go on here. The reason why I'm choosing this place is because we have a touch here and a touch here. So I'll move to the next one. Then I'll move down, move to this level. So the reason for this level is because we have a touch and a breakout retest on this level. We have a touch here. Then we have a breakout and a retest on this level. Then we have it here, we have it here, we have it here, and we have it here. So this one is also a strong level. So the next one is going to be this level. So if you watch, we have a touch here, a touch here, a touch here, 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 and here. And currently, price is there currently. So after I'm done with my monthly time frame, then I will move down to the weekly to see what is going on the what weekly. So this is the weekly. If you watch currently now, the price is at the what monthly resistance level. Okay, so the price is at the monthly resistance level. So price might break out and retest continue to the upper side, or price might what reverse from here to the downside. All right. So what I'm going to do now is for me to look out for the weekly resistance level also. So I just do few of it, not everything. So I will clone this. I have a resistance here. If you look, we have a touch here, a touch here, a touch here, a touch here, a touch here. Okay. Then the next one for me, I'll clone this. The next one will be this level. The reason why I'm taking this level, we have a touch, a touch, a touch. If you look back, we have here, we have one here, we have one here. All right. So I am done with the weekly time frame now. So I will move down to the daily. So on the daily time frame, I will draw my pattern trend line and also resistance level. So for now, I'm going to mark only one resistance level on my daily time frame. So if you watch on the daily time frame, we have what a touch on this level. We have one here, we have 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 here, and we have here also just few pips away. Then if you watch, we break we broke this level and came back for a retest before heading to the upper side. So let me adjust this one, this weekly one. So currently, if I am looking for a trading opportunity, I will be looking for a trading opportunity from here to this level, which is about just, let's just say 50 pips in total. So we just have only 50 pips in total from this zone to this zone. So for me, what I will do, I will mark my trend line from a swing point to the next one. So if you watch, we have touch one, touch two, then touch three. We break out, then price moves back into the trend line. So currently we are inside the trend line and we are heading upward. So If I want to trade this, I will just have to move down to my entry point, which is my 4 hour. Then what I'm going to do here is what my just my trading opportunity, which is from this zone to this zone. It's just my trading opportunity. Let us see inside this one. So how many pips are we talking about? So let's say currently just about 50 pips, almost 57 pips, but I will say 50 pips. All right. So if I'm going to take this trade, my next resistance level on the 4 hour is here. Are you getting that? So what I'm going to do, I will wait for a price to get back into this resistance support level I just drew, then wait for my candlestick confirmation, then I will place the trade from here, put my stops below, then I will target here. At least if I can be able to get 3% from here to this zone, it is a nice trade for me. All right, it is a nice trade for me. So from now, we are expecting price to move down a bit, then give us source of confirmation, then we buy to this zone. You understand? So that is how I use support and resistance to trade. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be dropping videos like this, doing analysis and also trading forecast. All right, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out.